was uptight, I wanna let loose. I was dreaming of bigger things and wanna leave my old life behind. Not a yes sir, I'm not a follower. Fit the mold, fit the box, have a seat in the foyer. Take a number, I was lightning before the thunder.
Thunder.
Feel the thunder, lightning and the thunder. Oh, thunder, feel the thunder, lightning and the thunder, 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 thunder. Now kids were laughing in my classes while I was scheming for the masses. Who do you think you are? You're dreaming about being a big star. They say you're basic, they say you're easy. You're always riding in the backseat. Now I'm smiling from the stage while you were clapping in the nosebleeds. Thunder, thunder, lightning and the thunder. Oh, thunder, feel the thunder, lightning and the thunder, thunder, thunder. Never give up, never give up, never give up on your dreams. Oh, never give up. Never give up, never give up. Come on!
Happy birthday, Deacon. We're so excited. You're the big 8 years old and Rosie wants to say happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, buddy. Very proud of you. Love watching you grow up. I hate to see you get bigger, but I'm super proud of you. Can't wait to see what the next 8 years of your life bring. But hope you have a fantastic birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Hope you have a good birthday. We love you. We love that you make us laugh so much. We love that you're still our cuddle bug. And we hope you never, ever change.
All right. Hope you have a great day, buddy. Happy birthday.
And Rosie says happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Deacon. I hope you have a wonderful birthday party and a wonderful birthday all day long. I am proud of you and love you so much.
Hi, Deacon. Happy birthday. I was trying to come up with exactly what I wanted to tell you, so I decided to use your name to describe you. So for D, I thought about determined and delightful, because you are definitely both of those. You're such a delightful young man, and I love being with you every second that we can be together. For E, I thought of your beautiful eyes and that you are beautiful inside and out because you have such a beautiful heart. And you're energetic, and I love that. For A, you're adventurous, affectionate, adorable, and artistic. I don't know any other little boy that has such a great ability to draw like you do. And I love it when you do pictures for me. In fact, my refrigerator is almost covered in them, so thank you. C is for caring, clever, creative, like that robot you made. I love that. That was awesome. So that's for C. For O, you're one of a kind. One of a kind. Nobody else can replace you. Nobody else is like you. And I love you for that. N is because you are needed you're number one in my book. You are unique, and you will always, always, always be with me in my heart. And you are someone that no one else can replace. And I can't wait to see you and Poppy fishing together. In fact, Poppy's working on the little boat this week, so the two of you can go out fishing in it. He's very excited about it. And just a minute ago, he caught a fish. It's a pretty big fish, but it got off. So I thought of you because you are going to have so much fun fishing with Poppy. But I love you, sweetheart. You're my little buddy. You're very, very special to me. No one else can take your place. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hey, Deacon, happy birthday from your Poppy. I'm so glad that you live close enough now where we can be with you and celebrate. We're looking forward to hopefully seeing you this weekend to share your birthday celebration with you. Hope you have fun with your friends, and we look forward to spending time with you and the rest of the family. I caught a fish this morning. We're up at Lake Hartwell. I caught a bass and almost caught a big crappie. He got off just as I pulled him to the top. But I look forward to fishing with you some this spring and summer, and I know we'll have a good time. So I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday, and I hope you have a wonderful time. Love you.
Hey, Deacon, happy birthday. I'm sorry I'm not there to celebrate with you, but I will be there a day after your celebration, and I hope that you leave me a lot of cake with icing and a balloon maybe. Okay, I'll see you soon. Love you.
Happy birthday, Deacon!
We miss you!
Happy birthday, Deacon!
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, Deacon, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Deacon!
Happy birthday, Deacon, we love you.
Can you say happy birthday? We have a couple of birthday jokes for you today. Samuel, you ready?
Yes.
Okay. What does a monster eat on its birthday?
Ice cream cake.
Ice cream cake! All right, what do you say to a kangaroo on its birthday?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
All right, last one. How do you know if a donut is bored at a birthday party?
It looks glazed over.
It looks glazed over.
Okay, one more.
One more?
Yes.
All right. Tell Deacon happy birthday. Can you blow him kisses? No? Is that your birthday buddy? Oh, that was a good kiss. Okay, Samuel found one more that he wants. Why was the soccer player sad on his birthday?
Someone gave him a red card.
Someone gave him a red card. Those are good jokes. All right, happy birthday, Deacon.
Happy birthday.
Hey Deacon, it's Joy,
And Ralph.
and we just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. I can't believe that you're getting so big. You're such a sweet little boy, and we're so glad you moved back to Georgia. It's just great having you right down the street.
Yes, we are so happy you guys moved back. And I hope you have a wonderful birthday, and I hope you get everything that you want.
We love you. Bye.
Average GameTruck parties are a virus, but gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Happy birthday.
Gamer versus gamer.